Welcome home to 109 Burgundy Court, located in Batesburg-Leesville's Summerland community. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home was just built last year. It features luxury vinyl plank flooring, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a beautiful open floor plan. The Summerland neighborhood features community walking trails, a community pool, playground, and there's even a fenced-in storage area that you can rent for a low monthly fee for your boat or your RV.